Hey, greetings and welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to be talking about backing up your data using the 7-zip Clyde tool, as you kind of can see here. So and so one thing by default is that it likes to take its time. It's like to replace the archive. It likes to update the archive. If there's symbolic links, instead of saving the symbolic link, it actually tries to follow it, and that could lead it to some of the issues and wasting time. Right. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Right, so if you kind of look at these switches here, right, so usually what we had before is the A. That means the add switch. That means it just deletes the whole zip, whether it's like 100 something gigs or not, and then replaces it. Then there's the update switch here. So you want to use the update switch. And then after that, you want to specify these update flags. This update flag means sync. This update combination means sync. And then if you kind of look at the documentation here, right? Synchronization, or actually, I think Chat GPT kind of indicated this to me. That's that sync, right? It will delete the files from the arches that don't exist. So say if there's a project that you already deleted and you updated it with a new one, right? Sync tries to keep everything in sync. So I really appreciate that. So this is the recursive flag. This is the folder I want to target. This is the recursive flag, and then SNL, right? SNL means just follow those symbolic links. I haven't had to deal with hard links yet, so I'm gonna leave it out. But then, and then if you kind of look through here, right, these flags, these are how you specify ignore cases. So you see Android build, right, and then Dart tool, for all the dependency files in here. So once that's going, this is it running as an executable. So I just do notebook backup, and we're kind of good to go. So we kind of see here, right, it wants to indicate that it's going to keep 123 gigs and it's just going to update those 29 megabytes, saving you a lot amount of time in the process, making backing up your computer to your local drive or to cloud, more feasible. I think cloud, it's going to be a bit tough, but local drive should do. Your flash drive should do. So thanks for you guys watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Reach out